I need a mood boost. Cardio days will always give me a mood boost and elevate my energy. 10 minutes, low impact. Let's go together. Stick with me for the whole 10 minutes. Let's get the heart rate up, get the oxygen flowing, the blood flowing. Have a laugh. Let's just start with a high march. Maybe you're here. Modify every exercise. You do what works best for you. Do us a favor. Give the video a pause so you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. It really does help us to reach more people just like you. We want to grow this community so we can support each other, to just find daily activity so that we can be more physically active and just live with more joy, ease, and strength. Let's go. We're going to start to skip a bit. You cannot be unhappy if you're skipping. When I need a mood boost, this simple move does it every time. Watch children. They just skip around. We need to be more childlike, for sure. We were riding bikes yesterday. It had just rained. There was huge puddles everywhere. I'm riding around the puddles, and my son is just blasting through every puddle with such happiness and joy. Like, what's wrong with me? Why am I not going through the puddles? And I started to. I had huge soakers, but it was worth it. Let's move with joy today. Okay. Side jack. This is a step jack, not a side jack. I'll be all right. Another maneuver just fills me with joy. Remember to breathe, slow everything down. I'm pretty fired up today. I want to move quickly. You just do what's best for you. But let's see, by the end of this video, we're just a little happier. A little more excited for the day. Yes, we get to be alive today. That's pretty good. Ooh, okay. I'm going to come into just a little side skip and reach. Let's get the upper body nice and warm. Just find that little skip step. Nice and light on the feet. We'll just slow it down there. It's about that. Feel that little skip. Feels youthful. Yeah. Nice. Now, just let's twist a little deeper. Skip. Reach a little further behind you. There we go. A couple more here. Yes. All right. It's cardio day. We were working on balance yesterday. We can keep doing that. I love this move. If we do it just a little bit more pace, then we're keeping the heart rate up. Cardio and balance. Why not? Reach down to the floor if you like. Opposite hand comes down, but we're going with pace. Ooh. If you stumble, no problem. Some balance days are better than others. Why that is, I don't know. We don't need more knowledge. We need more awe. Oh, wow. My balance is rubbish today. How amazing. What an opportunity to get better. Spend a lot of time with people from the UK. Rubbish. That's one of my favorite words they use. I've definitely taken that on. They have lots of good sayings. A couple more. Yeah. And come on up. So, depending on where you're at, we're going to go into a seal jack. Seal jacks just make me laugh. So you can step, point that toe. If you're feeling like jumping, I've been doing these rebounder workouts. This trampoline company sent me a rebounder to give a try, so I have been. It's been a lot more fun than I thought it would be. But now, this isn't maybe as much fun because I don't get to bounce as high. Oh wait, hold on. It's pretty fun still. And again, if this doesn't work for you, this is a great move, but really open up the chest. Point that toe. Further out we go with the foot. We're building flexibility, mobility in the upper back here. And clearly, as you can tell, I'm starting to get out of breath. I don't want to call them a troll. That doesn't seem fun or kind. Person who likes to comment somewhat negatively towards me, which I find interesting, and let's show them compassion and love. Because really, anybody who's commenting negatively, something's not great for them. But they'll be really appreciating my heavy breathing. It's good to be humbled sometimes. It's all good. All right. And let's just bounce a bit. Come up on the balls of your feet. Like a boxer. You're in a Rocky Balboa. Just bounce like that. This really is why I get up every morning. Be as physically active as possible. I think of that scene in Rocky. Just keep moving. Hands up nice and high. Just move with wonder and awe of each movement. Think of Rocky running up the stairs. Everybody, all those people following him. When I see a huge flight of stairs now, so when I'm with my son, he gets this look in his eyes. Let's go, Dad. And we just start racing up. Come on. How great is that when we see a flight of stairs as an opportunity with fun and awe and joy? As opposed to, oh no, set of stairs. No way, come on. I want to embrace it. Take on challenges. Have movement be a real pleasure, not a punishment. Okay. Ooh. Sort of like a fly, like if we had dumbbells, we would be it's really opening up the chest here. Keep moving quickly. Let's bring a step into it as well. Again, we're really reaching those legs out, building flexibility, shoulder strength here, chest strength. Keep our endurance up. We're not here for long today. 10 minutes. We run marathons in no time. We don't need to run marathons to be healthy. Hey, if that's your thing, go for it. Do it. Hey, let me know. I'll help you train. It's an amazing achievement, accomplishment. Something working towards hard things is great. For real, health, well-being, just daily, little bits of physical activity. Look into the blue zones. What do those people do that live the longest? They're just physically active throughout their day. Gardening, playing with their kids, grandkids. Just finding ways to move naturally. Okay. Oh, can you feel that in the shoulders? Yes, me too. Let's build some strength. Just a nice pulse squat. The body should be nice and warm now. You go as deep as you like. I'm not going very deep. Swing those arms. Find a nice rhythm. Last exercise for today. What a session. We got this. A few more. 3, 2, 1, and that flew by. I definitely feel better. I hope you do too. Let's spend a moment together. I really like finishing yesterday with tree posture. I want to do that again today. Bring all your attention, all your awareness right here, right now. Just absorb everything you've done. And let's build some balance while we do it. Just a few moments this way. Just be here. Fully present. Other leg. One breath can be a meditation. Just bring us into the now. And if you stumble, if it falls, if it's difficult, no judgment. Just awe. Wow, curiosity. Wow, my balance isn't very good. Wow, I need to improve. Wonderful, what an opportunity. Shake it out. You keep showing up. It's amazing. Comment, job done. Inspire me, inspire others. It really does matter. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.